Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this video, I am reviewing the Executor AI Ultra X EA, an expert advisor developed for MT5 and designed specifically for trading gold or XAUUSD. Starting here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see the EA is currently priced at 699 US dollars with a 1 month rental option available for 495 US dollars. The current version is 2.4, updated in December 2025. According to the developer, this system combines three independent trading strategies within a single framework and focuses on algorithmic gold trading. One of the main points highlighted on the page is the use of deep learning technologies, including deep Q learning, also known as DQN, and a time delay neural network or TDNN. The developer explains that DQN is used to optimize decision making by analyzing historical and current market conditions, while TDNN is designed to evaluate time series data and identify patterns in price movement. Another major component is the proprietary Ultra X engine. Unlike AI systems that rely on external APIs, the Ultra X component operates locally within MetaTrader 5. According to the developer, this allows for faster processing, reduced latency, and no dependency on external servers. Looking through the features section, the EA includes adaptive stop loss functionality, trailing stop management, and a multi-level risk management system. Each trade is protected with a stop loss, and there is also built-in automatic lot calculation for risk management. The developer specifically states that the system does not use grid trading, martingale, or other high-risk recovery methods. The recommended setup is quite straightforward. The EA is designed for XAUUSD on the H1 time frame with a minimum deposit recommendation of $100. It can be used on any account type, although ECN and raw spread accounts are suggested for potentially better trading conditions. A VPS is also recommended for uninterrupted operation. Now, moving over to the backtesting section. As always, when reviewing historical testing results, it is important to remember that these results are useful for analyzing past behavior, not predicting future performance. If the testing method is displayed in the report, whether that's every tick or another modeling method, it's worth paying attention to because test quality can influence how representative the results are. So looking at the provided results here on the MQL5 Marketplace page, I can see that from an initial deposit of $10,000, over $106 million is written here as the total net profit. Largest profit was over $62,000. Largest loss was over $259,000. Average profit was over $32,000, while average loss was over $231,000. I can see that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad. The difference is so wide. This is showing us data from 2010 to 2024. Okay, so let's just head over to the strategy tester right now. This one is for aggressive risk. From $10,000 deposit, we are seeing over $347,000 initial total net profit. But let's go over to our strategy tester and see how the Executor AI Ultra X performed over the past 5 months on XAUUSD on the H1 time frame. All right, so we are using the last ping to the server for our delays and every tick modeling. Looking at the results from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit was negative 36,356.71. Total trades were 57, short trades were 33 with a 90.91% win rate. Long trades were 24 with an 83.33% win rate. The average profit was 1,410.31. Average loss was 15,267.43. Largest profit 2,015.88. Largest loss 18,929.46. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is very bad, but the win rate is good. All right, but it seems like the risk to reward ratio overshadowed the win rate, which resulted in a total net profit of negative 36,356. So over 36% of the balance was lost. Now, while reviewing the historical chart activity, what stands out is the framework the developer describes. The EA continuously analyzes market conditions and applies its AI-driven decision process through the combination of DQN, TDNN, and the Ultra X component. Now, since the product information emphasizes multiple independent strategies working together, the goal appears to be improving adaptability across changing market conditions rather than relying on a single trading approach. Looking at the historical testing performance, keep in mind that results can vary significantly depending on risk settings, lot size, broker execution quality, spread, slippage, market conditions, and any optimization performed by the user. I'll still recommend running longer term testing yourself as well, so you can get a more comprehensive understanding of how the EA behaves across different market environments. Overall, the Executor AI Ultra X EA presents itself as an MT5 based gold trading system that combines multiple AI related technologies with structured risk management and local processing through its proprietary Ultra X component. As with any automated strategy, thorough testing and optimization on your own setup should always come before considering live deployment. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to subscribe, and turn on your notifications for more valuable trading insights. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.